Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. If you can tell by the bag here in front of you, it is from Ross for less to be exact. And I'm not sure if I'm going to include my shop with me video for this particular item at the beginning of this video or at the end. But I'll figure it out. So if you see it first, you'll know why. If you see it at the end, you'll know why. But anyway, I have posted one video before that, a short actually, that showed Ross now has a variety of Dooney&Bourke bags. They're kind of randomly placed at each store. This particular one I was very, very surprised to see because it's not pebble grain, because that's usually what I've been finding at Ross. And I hope the bag noise isn't too loud. But this is, of course, Drawstring July. So that gives you the first hint and to let you know what this one is. So imagine my surprise, y'all, when I saw this drawstring at Ross in Florentine leather waiting for me. I guess I should take it out of the bag. And I was actually kind of hesitant to get it because, not to get it, but when I first saw it, because it's Florentine and it was not covered. It was kind of just hanging there with the other purses. And we all know how delicate Florentine leather can be. So I began inspecting it for scuffs, scratches, anything. I did see this particular scuff here, but I think that I can buff that out. I'll bring it in so you all can see it. I don't know if that's showing up or not, but it's along here. It's not anything too dramatic, and just like the normal little scratches here and there that can be buffed out, which I haven't done, but I just wanted to record this to definitely include this in my Drawstring July. The description of this purse is really just, I believe it's just a Florentine drawstring. And even though it looks black, it is that beautiful deep Dooney&Bourke navy. So y'all, this purse in particular, I had seen it and it's been out for a few years, and I guess Dooney&Bourke brought it back, I believe last year. But it has the white piping on it. And I really wasn't a fan of it, just kind of seeing it online. But when I saw this in person, I understood. It all connected together. I see what Dooney&Bourke did here. This is so pretty. The white stitching along with the white piping, or actually it's not piping, it's like the trim along the leather to kind of keep it from unraveling. I'm not sure what the exact word is for this or what it's called, but I'll just call it white trim because it has white stitching as well. It does have the green suede inside of the tassels. And this purse, believe it or not, it was at Ross for $150 there. But after inspecting it and just kind of seeing the normal Florentine touches on it, I did ask if I could get anything off of it, and y'all, I was able to get another 20% off of this purse. So I'm glad I asked. If I didn't, I would have paid what it was on there. So it does have the beautiful feet. Just gorgeous, all in all. It's still stuffed. I think I have the drawstring open as much as possible. But it has the Dooney&Bourke tissue paper there. The other stuffing included. It has a dust bag. I had no idea. I was not expected to find this at Ross, y'all. And I've shown in the short videos where they have the pebble grain hobo there, and I've seen them in different colors. But again, to find a Florentine drawstring, totally unexpected. As you can see, it is in brand new condition. The inside, it does have this pretty white trim, that leather that matches the exterior. So you have the Dooney&Bourke leather logo patch there with the matching zipper, trim around the zipper. It has the registration card inside. It has the sticker that I usually place that on the registration card as well. Front pocket, slip pocket in front of the zipper. The key keeper with the trim that matches. And this is a big purse. I don't know what the measurements are. I will post them in the description, because I believe this purse is still on both Dooney and ILD websites. So I will post the description there, but I want to say it's about 11.75 by 10 and a quarter, or 11.75 by 11. I'm not sure, and I don't want to quote it wrong, but it does have the pretty green suede trim as well. It's again an actual Dooney&Bourke full Florentine purse, found it at Ross. So I believe it was definitely waiting for me, and it just happens to be July. So drawstring July, a beautiful Florentine drawstring to add to my collection. Comment below, let me know if anyone has this particular I hate to say silhouette, but it is an actual silhouette, because the size is not the normal size for the drawstring. It has like the more rounded edges on the side. So let me know if you all have this. I have seen this in the natural color, as well as black. So black, navy, and natural. I'm not sure what other colors it comes in. Red as well. I did see the red, and that is very pretty also. But this is her, y'all. This is the new addition to my drawstring collection, the Dooney&Bourke Florentine drawstring bag in the color navy. So I hope you all like this quick video. I hope it's quick. Let me see. Yes, it's not too long. And again, I'll include that short there. And my last video I posted with my plumes bag, I did record that before I was able to give a shout out to PSA Public Shopping Addict, as well as Dooney Addict 615. They have both done drawstring July videos. And I believe Minnie's Handbags has done one as well. I'm gonna make another video just to shout out everyone. Oh, as well as Happiness Sparkles. Oh my goodness, she reminded me of my Murphy backpack. That's also considered a drawstring as well, because it can be carried as a backpack as well as a purse, because it has the top handle there. But yes, Happiness Sparkles. She also did a beautiful drawstring July video as well. But again, I am going to make another video to be sure that I don't miss anyone. And I'm going to double check the hashtag as well to see if I missed any videos that posted under the hashtag. Because this has definitely been a fun hashtag to be a part of. And it's so fun to see everyone's drawstrings, their favorites. And some that I hadn't seen, different colors. So I'm just enjoying it. We have a couple more weeks left in the month, and I'm looking forward to seeing more drawstring July videos. Thank you all so much for watching, commenting, subscribing, tagging, sharing. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.
Hey, hold on. Hold on 1 second.
You did yesterday when you brought the bed.
It wasn't good?
What are you doing in the school?
This the baby?